Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide likes on Instagram for all of your posts, just as the title might suggest. You have a few options when it comes to hiding your Instagram likes, including being able to hide them for all posts, one post, and individual posts after you've posted them. Let's focus on one specifically right now though. I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram for all posts. I'm sharing my tutorial based on an iPhone, but your screen might look a little different if you're using newer or older software, or if you're using a different operating system, such as Android. Anyway, once you're on your profile, look for the hamburger menu, which is the three-lined menu that you can see on the top right-hand side of my screen. This will open another menu, where the very first option is Settings. Select that one. Next, look for the option that says Privacy, and select it. This is a really great screen to get to know, if you haven't already. It's your Instagram privacy hub, where you can change all sorts of settings to make yourself and your Instagram account more safe and secure. For right now, however, you're going to want to look for the option that says Posts. Once you select it, you'll see at the very top that it says, Hide like and view counts. As you might have guessed, that's the feature you'll want to turn on, to hide all likes from all posts on your Instagram account. Make note of what it says directly underneath the switch, as it is vital information.
You won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. You can hide like and view counts on your own posts when you create them by going to Advanced Settings and turning on Hide like and view counts on this post.
This is what the button will look like when the feature is turned off. People will be able to see how many likes and views your content has, and you'll be able to see how many likes and views other people's content has received. This is what the button will look like when the feature is turned on. People won't be able to see how many likes and views your content has, and you won't be able to see how many likes and views other people's content has received. And that's how simple it is to turn on and off the like and view count for all of your posts on Instagram. What do you think about this feature? Do you use it? Have you turned your like and view count off, or do you prefer to leave it on? I'd love to know your thoughts on it, so make sure you leave your comments below. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.